Hellcat Slick, man. You sitting on the couch right now and you still haven't subscribed to your boy Hellcat Slick and Ghost, man. What are you doing? You keep saying you're gonna subscribe next time, next week, next month, and you still haven't done it yet. You're probably sitting on your phone right now watching this video, you still haven't subscribed. Let me help you out. Click this button right here, hit that subscribe button so you can support the movement, support the grind, see what's going on, man. It's not that hard. Dang. What's going on YouTube, baby? It's your boy Hellcat Slick, getting ready to tap back in on another good video real quick, man. It's your boy. How y'all doing out there, man? Hope y'all doing well, man. Hope y'all staying safe. Hope y'all keeping y'all masks on, staying safe out here in this weather, man. If you're new to the video, new to the channel, go and hit that like button, because you know your boy Hellcat Slick finna do something to you, man. Peep the shirt, man. Stay blessed, gifted, and amazing, man. That's the motto for the day. But right now, I'm finna go get some work done to the car. Been trying to get this done for about a year now on the cool. So I'm at work, finna drop the car up real quick. So you're gonna get that start real quick. Surprised we ain't setting no alarms off right there, you heard me? Surprised we ain't setting no alarms off right now. But yeah, man, I'm gonna let y'all see this. I got all the work right here. So y'all drop down, let me turn this light on. Y'all drop down no comments and y'all like, y'all, this is the boxes that's finna get installed. So I mean, y'all drop down them comments and let me know what your boy finna get done to the Hellcat today. Like I said, man, been having the mod for 8, 9, 10 months. So it's time. Overdue is an understatement, because I should have been did this, man, but I finally got time, money to do it. Time is the main thing, man. I be trying to do stuff, bro, and I don't be having time, bro, man. But like I said, let me get back to it, man. If y'all new to this video, y'all first time seeing your boy Hellcat Slick, man, make sure y'all go on and give me a like. Drop down in the comments, say what's happening. And if you like what you see, man, go on and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. That's what I never be saying. Make sure you hit that bell, because I need you to be notified every single time I drop a video. You heard me? Yeah. I get out there and I do that thing. You heard me? But yeah, man, I'm finna pull up at the shop real quick. Finna head over here by Rail and Audio Cat, man. So I just gave y'all another hint what I'm finna do. So I mean, if I pull up over there at the shop over there, man, just know that I'm finna get something done. It's finna be exclusive and real, man. So I'm gonna tap back in on this camera once I get there, man. So I know y'all don't want to watch me drive there, because I ain't racing nobody today, obviously. So I'm gonna tap in once I get over there. All right, I'm out of here. Actually, let's do it like this. All right, man. Yeah, you see, man, we done pulled up at that boy Audio Cat house, Audio Zone. Look, this is gonna be the last time y'all see that grill, them headlights and all that looking like this. That's another drift. Just drift on y'all, man. Let me show y'all the before. Let me show y'all that before real quick. Finna go on and head up and in here real quick, man, and see what work we can get done real quick. Yes indeed. Alright, man, we tapped in. We in this joint real quick. We got Jeff up here. We got my boy Tony Snow back here finna get this work in for your boy. Hey boy, get these lights in, man. Make sure y'all pull up, get some merch, get some rims, some radios, get some speakers. Just come up here and get something done with your boy, man. Whatever y'all need, man. Off of Beltline Road, look up Audio Zone in this thing, boy. So I ain't no speaker head, but I might mess around and get one of them joints. Yes, indeed. It's YouTube. You just left right there. That's him. Yeah! Yes! That hoe is hard! Man, y'all see this, man? I don't know if you're a subscriber or not, man, but that hoe is hitting hard. Ooh! That hoe hitting hard, man! Hit that gas one. Ooh! Yeah! Yes! Ooh, man! Yes, bruh! Hell. Bro, y'all peep these big ass things, boy. Y'all see who that is? Big ass damn wheels, boy. Fucking size. What size is it? Like 24. Yes, indeed. Look at the rim, the lip. Guess they don't mess with rail no more, man. Guess they ain't here no more. Get my shit. Hey, too, man, your boy Hellcat Slick, man, just pulled up on your boy Turbo. I don't know if he's sitting in the car and he got his windows a little too dark, man. But let me flip this camera. Let me show y'all this. That boy Turbo TV. Last time y'all seen this thing?
Bro, I'm trying to get something like that.
Oh, this is the shop right here.
Yeah, I see that.
This is my car right here. I mean, you got time. You can come in and talk to them real quick. They can hook you up. They order. This is the one-stop shop for everything. Everything. Yeah, man, I don't know if y'all see it. Let me go on and finish y'all showing y'all, man. Last time y'all seen anything, it was blue. Turbo done sit there and flip this thing, boy. Make sure y'all get that boy a subscribe, man. That thing looking nice, boy. Y'all look at that thing. Look at the color flipping on that thing right there, boy. Oh, that whole fire in the back. That whole fire in the. Finna go on and step in here real quick, man. See what the hell going on.
But anyways,
I gotta get this shit.
It's total 642.65, right? Now you can stunt for your.
Nah, no, don't do that.
But this
don't do that.
Really stunt. This nigga dropped the whole gold.
Boy,
card.
I did not do that,
He
man.
dropped the whole
I did not drop the card,
nigga,
bro.
This ain't no normal card,
bro. Don't.
Hey, bro, that's the price for one side.
Oh shit, you right.
Boy, that is cap. One side.
Hey, still cheaper than light insurance?
Man, hell, light insurance charge you $1,200 just to get the damn headlight.
Yeah, see, it's $1,000 with you.
Shit, and then I divided by the demon eye, right?
Yeah, you divided by the demon eye, the one that you go on there.
And then, hey, you gotta hit them with that double charge and the triple charge.
And you gotta add on the COVID fee too.
How old are you again?
30.
I was supposed to multiply by
10% COVID tax.
Yeah, I'll just look at it.
I forgot about that. Governor Greg Abbott just passed that shit.
Hey, y'all look at this one. He trying to run up on me, man.
And an inconvenience fee.
Look at this one. He trying to run up on me, man. Y'all see that comma down there?
How many followers or people watching right now? Are you just?
I'm just recording now.
So literally, if you was live, I would have multiplied it or divided by how many people you had.
Bruh, don't do that.
I gotta do it times 1 because I seen it. So.
Bruh.
Oh.
Nigga, you capping.
Fuck. It's expensive, bro.
Man, look, man, y'all come see my boy Tony Store out here at AutoZone. Man, he out here trying to knock me over my head, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, I'm right behind.
You got the app already?
Yeah, I got the app already.
Alright.
Hold on.
So, you got the test these out?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what Rail told me.
Yeah, me and Ralph.
Yeah,
Like,
the whole
he said shit out your car.
Yeah.
See if you got a switch.
Yeah, I got the switch on the side.
You got that?
Yeah.
You connected to that?
Oh, no. These connecting on the inside.
Okay.
Yeah, these connecting on the inside. I got these done way before I even got the light.
You got a whole little thing going on. Let me see what you got, man. Were they flow or were they the other?
They don't. I don't think he's just a regular one. Oh, that's a bet. That's the next thing I need to do. I gotta take the stickers off the side and then I'll come back and get that done. 'Cause every time I get ready to do so, I gotta take them stickers off, get the hose clean, and put them hose right back on. But hell yeah, man, y'all see what's going on, man. My boy King Tony Snow, they got your boy right. The Charger, y'all see the badge on there. We finna get them lights flickering in a minute. YouTube, baby, in case y'all didn't know, man. Y'all see them lights freaking and dicking and flipping out here, boy. Y'all see that boy Hellcat Slick. Official Hellcat Slick. Now you know, when I ride by, you know it smell like new money, baby. Where the hell my keys at? Hey, y'all see the Hellcat Slick? Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, man. Got them lights done, man. Boy, boy, Hellcat slick. Oh, which way we is? Are we this way? We in this thing. Dang, we in this thing. I don't think I can ride. Look, I can't ride with them lights. I had no flickers. I'm about to change it real quick. But man, that's the end of this video, man. Make sure y'all like this video, y'all subscribe to this video, man, and stay in tune with your boy and hit that bell so you know every single time your boy Hellcat slick get to you. Oh, I'm out of breath. Shit. Anyways, man, y'all need some lights done, man. Make sure y'all pull up to Audio Zone right there. Audio Zone. Not Auto Zone. Audio Zone. But yeah, man, it's your boy Hellcat, man. I'm out of here. Appreciate y'all watching this video. I'm finna go and hit home real quick. Out.